Hello friends, welcome to a wonderful concept in the world of cryptocurrency. Yes friends, today we will talk about the Sanvi token made with very unique technology which we are all waiting for its launch. Friends, Sanvi Technolines works on a blockchain operating system which is from London. If we see about a section, so Sanvi token is based on Binance Smart Chain and this is DeFi token. The idea behind this is to promote agriculture and infrastructure worldwide digitally. My dear friends, Sanvi's vision is to replace the traditional payment system and promote digital payment in the world through Sanvi tokens, in which you are given a commitment that everyone will be educated through the world's best professional mentors and will be connected to the whole world with the best digital payment system of Sanvi tokens. Friends, the CEO and founder of Sanvi token is Mr. Dan Handy, who is an experienced and dynamic personality. And as you all know that the market size of cryptocurrency is increasing day by day, which has touched $1.75 trillion, and hence the world of crypto has started with Sanvi token, which is decentralized smart contract based token. So come friends, let's know in detail about the Sanvi token and its best distribution concept. Friends, Sanvi token is in 8 decimals, which belongs to BEP20 standard, and its total supply is 500 crore. The starting value of the token is 0.01 USDT, which will launch in November 2022. Now let's know about the token distribution. So 10% in the farming project, 10% in the affiliate program, 30% in the public sale, 15% in the marketing team, 10% in technical team, 20% in the development team, and 5% distributed in charity. So come friends, now let's talk about the amazing business concept of Sanvi token. So here a total of 8 packages are provided to you. You can start this business with any one of these. Firstly comes the trial package, which starts from 20 USDT. After that, starter package starts from 100 USDT, silver package from 250 USDT, pearl package from 500 USDT, emerald package from 1000 USDT, and ruby package from 2500 USDT. Platinum package starts from 5000 USDT, and finally diamond package starts from 10,000 USDT. Friends, as soon as you start in the farming project and get your friends to associate, then you will get 50% direct income for trial package, and there will be no level income for trial package starters, and farming direct income for all others packages 10%, which is superb income, and there is no limit here. You can do unlimited income by directing unlimited people. If you see the farming income, how to start the starter package, then you will get 1% slab of 100 USDT every month, that too for 10 months. Similarly, starting with silver package, slab of 250 USDT, you will earn 3% every month, that too for 10 months. Similarly, till the last diamond package starts with 10,000 USDT slab, then you will get 15% income every month, that too for 10 months, which is great income. My dear friends, if you look at the level income, then level income is provided here up to 15 levels. In the first level, all the people who are associated with you, then you will earn 10% from each person. Similarly, 9% from every person who comes in the second level, and 8% from the every person who comes in your third level, 7% from fourth level, 6% from fifth level, 4% from sixth and seventh level, 3% from eighth and ninth level, and similarly in the 15th level, as soon as a person is associated with you, then you will have 1% level income from each person, which is amazing income. Friends, to get the first level income, you have to direct 1. To get second level income, it is necessary to direct 2. To get the third level income, it is necessary to direct 3. And in the end, it is necessary to direct 15 to get the 15th level income, so that you will be able to earn this wonderful income. Let me tell you about the terms and conditions of the plan. BTC withdrawal 25% reduction, in Tron withdrawal reduction is 15%, and top up wallet transfer 5% reduction. If user is doing withdrawal of all his packages, then there will not be any income generation. Closing daily for all incomes, withdrawal manual from website wallet for all incomes, and level income and farming income only user for ID activation up to coin listed on exchange. So yes friends, this was the complete information about the Sanvi token and its referral program, which has been launched on PancakeSwap, and very soon you will be seen on the top exchanges of the world. So sure friends, that's all about the Sanvi token. Let's meet in the next video. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy.